I'm
book.
glad I'm your mommy.
Oh no, you know what that is?
What?
Those are Daniel Tiger books.
I know. Daniel Tiger books.
You found a book?
Can I see what this one
It
is?
says, I'm glad I'm your mother. Here, Eden, you have one more to open up.
I have one more too.
Oh, she's not doing the whoa thing anymore.
Yeah.
Wow! Look,
Book?
the same one. It's the same. Oh, good night, stars. Good night, lamb. It's good night, stars.
That one is called God Always Cares.
God always kills.
Yeah.
Where's my die? I'm still opening.
Eden's helping now, too.
No.
It says both of your names on it, so it's
I
okay.
want to help.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ellie, please be kind to your sister.
Oh, it's my book.
It's for both of you. It had both of
Oh.
your names on it. We share everything, right?
Look. Wow, we
Here,
have
Eden, grab
books.
some paper. Grab some paper, Eden. Pull, pull, pull.
Beko.
It says, to Ellie and Eden, love Gran and Pop.
Can I look at it? Huh?
Pop.
Pa. Pa, okay. Pa. Mom? Can you open these stickers?
I think maybe we'll save those for after nap. So we can read a book before nap time.
Okay, I picked.
Thank you, Eden.
I want to see if this is too small or big.
Is there more? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Mom, can you help me open that? It's too hard.
Open what?